The Beats Studio Pro X Kim Kardashian headphones are a masterclass in combining cutting-edge audio engineering with high fashion. Designed in collaboration with Kim Kardashian, this exclusive, earth, colorway is all about understated elegance and neutral tones that fit seamlessly into a refined, minimalist aesthetic. But it's not just about looks, these are serious performance headphones. They feature fully adaptive active noise cancelling, ANC, technology, which uses real-time audio calibration to continuously optimize sound output and block external noise, delivering an immersive listening experience whether you're on a plane, in a cafe, or at home. For those moments when you want to stay aware of your surroundings, transparency mode lets in outside sound with remarkable clarity. Under the hood, the Beats Studio Pro delivers personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. An Apple ecosystem feature that tailors sound specifically to the unique shape of your ears using iOS calibration. This provides a 360-degree sound experience ideal for music, movies, and gaming. Audio purists will appreciate the USB-C lossless audio support, enabling studio-quality sound with minimal signal loss, an impressive feature that brings the Beats lineup closer to audiophile territory. Compatibility is a breeze across devices. These headphones support Bluetooth 5.3 for stable wireless performance and pair seamlessly with both Apple and Android devices. On iOS, you get perks like one-touch pairing, Find My support, and integration with iCloud devices, while Android users benefit from Fast Pair, Audio Switch, and Find My Device features. With custom 40mm drivers, the Studio Pro produces clear mids, deep bass, and crisp highs, ideal for everything from hip-hop to classical. Battery life is another major win. You get up to 40 hours of listening time on a single charge without ANC, and around 24 hours with ANC or transparency mode active. Plus, a 10-minute fast fuel charge gives you up to 4 hours of playback, perfect for busy lifestyles. The headphones also feature on-device controls for volume, playback, voice assistant activation, and call management, making them user-friendly and efficient. The built-in mics have been improved for clearer voice pickup, meaning your calls will sound better than ever. Comfort-wise, the Beats Studio Pro features ultra-plush over-ear cushions wrapped in engineered leather, offering long-wear comfort without heat buildup or clamping force. The overall design is sleeker and more premium than previous Beats headphones, reflecting both high fashion and tech innovation. Whether you're a music lover, creative professional, or someone who values audio luxury with aesthetic finesse, the Beats Studio Pro X Kim Kardashian headphones deliver performance, elegance, and everyday practicality.